Hey guys, it's Adrienne from Crafty Little Gnome, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about how I ship my jewelry and what methods I use. So, when I get an order on Amazon or through Etsy, there's an option there to print your labels and buy shipping through their platform. That's usually what I do because it's actually cheaper for me to print it through Etsy or Amazon than it is to go to the post office and have them print the label for me. The reason it's cheaper is because Etsy and Amazon get a special price. It's technically for, commercial use. You could probably get the same rate if you set up an account with the post office, but I don't want to do that. I can just print it from my shop. So I print the label. I already know how much everything weighs. My items are small, it's jewelry, so they pretty much all weigh the same thing. But when you're calculating your shipping costs, you always want to weigh your items first. So you want to package it how it would be sent to a customer, weigh it, and figure out exactly how much it's going to cost you for shipping, and then also include the price of the envelope or box, the paper that you're using, the ink, any special packaging, ribbons. You also want to calculate the gas that it's costing you to drive to the post office. And I mean, you can also calculate your mileage for your vehicle. I do that too. I put that in on my taxes, but I don't include that in the customer shipping cost. So normally, technically, it would cost me $2.66 to ship one of my jewelry items, like a necklace or an earrings. The customer ends up paying $3.50, and that covers all my costs. So when you print off Amazon, or sorry, that's my door slamming. Amazon, you get a label. It looks like this. I just cut it out with regular scissors, and I tape it with regular packing tape to just a small bubble envelope mailer. You can get special sticky labels from like Office Depot or Staples, and you can get a special printer if you want. But I mean, I ship a lot, but I still don't really feel the need for that. It takes 2 seconds to cut out the label and put on the tape. So my jewelry gets shipped in just a little box. I have different sizes. Some of them I need a bigger one for like a bracelet, and then I just put a little blue ribbon around it. Simple, nice, and it's ready for gift giving. Most of the people who order from me are buying a gift, so I like to have it ready to go. And the customer doesn't have to do anything else. They don't have to buy a special box for it. They don't have to wrap it. They can just give it to the recipient, and it's all perfect. So I just put it in the envelope. I write a little thank you on the back. The other thing I like to include is a business card. I had these printed up. I don't know if you can see. It just says Crafty Little Gnome Jewelry, thank you, and then I have a coupon code, so 15% off. Use code thank you at checkout, and then I have the address of my shop, and then I also put the address in there for my blog and then to my Facebook page. So if anyone wants to check me out, they can, and then hopefully they keep the business card to use it for the coupon so they can buy something else. The one thing I don't have on here that I really wish I had, and I'll definitely put on next time I get more business cards printed, is my email address. I don't know why I didn't put it on, but every time I do a craft fair, people always want to know my email address because they'll have a question about, oh, I have a necklace that's broken, can you fix it for me for a fee? Or oh, I have a question about, something custom that they want made, and I always end up writing it on the back, but it would be a lot easier if I just put it on there. So yeah, I include 1 or 2 business cards, and then all I have to do is just drive to the post office and put it in the drive-through slot. I don't have to get out of my car. A couple things to mention. If you are shipping first class and you ship something on a site that you can't print your own label on, you have to go pretty much to the post office to print it if you want to ship it first class. If you go to USPS.com, that's the United States Post Office website, you can ship products through there and print your labels. They don't allow you to do the really cheap first class one, which is super annoying because pretty much everything I ship is first class. Another option for shipping, if you're using a platform that doesn't allow you to print your own labels, is to use either stamps.com or indicia.com. I've used both of these. They end up costing you about $15 or $16 per month or more, plus the postage that you have to purchase. So when Etsy and Amazon started letting you print your own labels from their shops, I canceled my stamps.com account because I didn't need it anymore. But yeah, so that's how I ship my jewelry. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I will try to answer it for you. Thanks. Bye.